Guys, so ngayon mag-uusap kami ni Chandra kasi napakatalino nito eh. As in, siya yung pinakamatalino kong
Genius.
kaibigan, especially sa English.
Genius.
It's so genius in the world and
Genius
under
as
the
in the word
ocean.
in the full of
Yes.
energy.
Yes, because of the energy and the energy drink of the Celsius.
Yes. And the cobra.
Yes.
And the monster
Yes, of the world.
of the world and the
Okay.
sea of the land.
Magtatapla kami ng letter kung ano yung letter na lumabas. Dapat doon mag-i-start yung word.
Go.
Okay, let's start on the way. Okay, go. You. You are wonderful to the world.
Wild. Wild. The wild. The
Yeah.
wild.
Go.
Okay, next. We? With you? Eh.
Okay.
Ano ba ikaw? Yes.
Say, so do you know the Under the Sea because of the SpongeBob?
Oh, okay, okay. Next. E. Elephant of the world in the music of the arts.
Oh, arts.
Okay.
Okay. Ka. Kite in the sky is very